the most helpful. The Honorable Chief Guest, respected Director, distinguished principal, reverential teachers, and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am extremely glad to have you all here, and your presence in this program is a great encouragement for us to move on our goals. And the foremost, it has been a gigantic opportunity for me to speak upon a tremendous topic, which is the importance of English. Honorable Chief Guest, as we all know that English language is really important in this era. Well, if we talk about languages, every language keeps its importance and a big value for its native speaker. But English language not only keeps a big value for its native speaker, but also for those who are not the native speaker of it. English language has borrowed its word from cultures and civilizations. You will find words in English which has its roots in Greek, Latin, French and German etc. It is truly a powerful language and an international language as well. And in this era, English language is the official language of 53 countries. It is the common second language of the world. English language, I am sure you must have watched a film in other language, but you have been able to understand that because of English subtitles. For most, English language is really important for higher education. It is an established fact that gives us access to science, especially the field of engineering, medicine, and information technology. Thus, English language that is used in higher studies and research. English is a developed language. It is a language with rich vocabularies. In English language, a new word is added in every 2 hours. So you can find 4,000 words in every year. The importance of English language cannot be neglected in today's scenario. Finally, I want to say that Dhoria Academy Gwadar is providing a great chance to the student of Gwadar to learn English language from beginner to advanced without any cost. So don't miss it, please. Thank you.
Muchas gracias.